The key is in your hand. The car costs $3 million. It has 1,000 horsepower, and your boss says, take it to 350 kilometers per hour. Find every problem. Break it if you have to. This is not a dream. This is Tuesday.
Welcome to Learn English and More. I'm Emma. He's Tom. Today, the most exciting job on four wheels.
A day in the life of a luxury car test driver. Let's go.
So, what is a luxury car test driver?
A person who drives the most expensive cars in the world. Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Bugattis, Porsches, before anyone else. Before the car goes to the shop. Before any customer touches it. The test driver drives it first.
Luxury. A strong word. Luxury means extremely expensive, beautiful, and high quality. Not just nice, beyond nice. We say a luxury hotel, a luxury watch, a luxury lifestyle. A luxury car is not just fast. It is art.
And the test driver's job is to push that art to its limit.
Limit. The maximum. The furthest point something can go. We say the speed limit is 120 kilometers per hour. She pushed her body to the limit. A test driver finds the limit of a car. How fast, how hard, how far it can go before something breaks. Why do car companies need test drivers? Can't computers test the car?
Computers test many things, but a computer cannot feel. A human driver can feel the steering wheel vibrate. They can hear a tiny strange sound at 200 kilometers per hour. They can sense when something is not right, something a computer might miss.
So they drive expensive cars fast and look for problems?
Exactly. They look for flaws.
Flaw. A small problem, defect, or weakness in something. We say the diamond has a tiny flaw. The plan has one flaw. A flaw in a car at 350 kilometers per hour can be deadly. The test driver's job is to find every flaw before the customer does. What does their day look like?
Early morning, the test driver arrives at the circuit.
Circuit. A closed track for racing or testing cars. A loop. You drive around and come back to the start. Famous circuits include Monza in Italy, Nürburgring in Germany, and Silverstone in England. We say the car completed 50 laps of the circuit.
The circuit is empty. No other cars, no speed limit, just the driver, the car, and the track. First, they check the car. Tires, brakes, mirrors, seat, belts, everything must be perfect.
Brake. To brake means to slow down or stop. The brakes are the parts of the car that stop the wheels from spinning. We say he braked hard before the corner. The brakes on this car are incredible. At 350 kilometers per hour, good brakes are the difference between life and death.
Then, the first drive. Slow at first. 60, 80, 100. The driver listens, feels the car, every vibration, every sound. They build speed gradually.
And then they go fast?
Very fast. They accelerate.
Accelerate. To accelerate means to go faster, to increase speed. We say the car accelerated from 0 to 100 in 2.9 seconds. He accelerated out of the corner. The opposite of accelerate is brake. Accelerate, faster. Brake, slower.
A luxury car can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds. The force pushes you back into the seat. Your chest feels heavy. Your vision narrows. And the noise, the engine screaming behind you, is the most beautiful and terrifying sound you will ever hear.
That sounds like a thrill.
It is the ultimate thrill.
Thrill. An exciting, almost scary feeling. A rush of energy. We say the thrill of skydiving. What a thrill that was. Stronger than exciting. A thrill is excitement mixed with a little fear. And that mix is addictive. Do they test new cars too? Cars that don't exist yet?
Yes, prototypes.
Prototype, the first version of something, built to test, not to sell. We say the company built a prototype of the new phone. This car is a prototype. Only one exists in the world. Prototypes are secret, covered in camouflage, hidden from cameras. The test driver might be the first human ever to drive this car.
And with prototypes, the danger is higher. Nobody knows how the car will behave. It has never been driven at 300 kilometers per hour before. The test driver is the one who finds out.
What are they looking for specifically?
Performance.
Performance. How well something works under pressure. We say the car's performance was excellent. Her performance in the exam was perfect. For a test driver, performance means everything. Speed, control, braking, sound, feeling, the whole experience of driving.
They test performance in every condition. Dry road, wet road, hot day, cold day, and they must report every detail with precision.
Precision, exactness, being perfectly accurate. We say the surgery requires precision. He described the problem with precision. A test driver doesn't say the car felt weird at high speed. They say at 287 kilometers per hour, the left front wheel vibrated for 0.5 seconds after braking. That is precision. Now, my friend, let's play a game. It is called Two Truths and a Lie.
I will say 3 facts about luxury car test drivers. 2 are true. 1 is a lie. Can you guess which one is the lie?
Go.
Fact 1. Some test drivers wear special shoes with very thin soles, so they can feel the pedals better through their feet. Fact 2. The fastest luxury car in the world can go over 490 kilometers per hour, faster than a Japanese bullet train. Fact 3. Most luxury car test drivers are not allowed to drive fast in their personal life. They must drive slowly outside of work because their reflexes are too dangerous for normal roads.
Which one is the lie? Think about it, my friend. The answer is coming next. Okay, my friend, time for the answer. 2 truths and a lie. Which one was the lie?
Fact 1. Special thin shoes to feel the pedals. True. Many professional test drivers and race drivers wear shoes with very thin soles. They say they can feel the brake and the accelerator much better. It is like driving barefoot, but safe. Fact 2. The fastest luxury car goes over 490 kilometers per hour. True. The Bugatti Chiron Supersport reached 490.48 kilometers per hour, faster than a bullet train. Fact 3. Test drivers must drive slowly in their personal life. This is the lie. There is no rule like this. Test drivers can drive however they want in their free time. But funny enough, many of them actually do drive slowly outside of work. They see so many crashes and flaws that they become very careful drivers. They know better than anyone what can go wrong.
Did you guess correctly? Tell us in the comments. Now, today's 10 powerful words. Say them with me.
Accelerate. To go faster. To increase speed.
Precision. Exactness. Being perfectly accurate.
Circuit. A closed track for racing or testing cars.
Brake. To slow down or stop.
Luxury. Extremely expensive, beautiful, high quality.
Prototype. The first version, built to test, not to sell.
Thrill. An exciting, almost scary feeling.
Limit. The maximum, the furthest point.
Flaw. A small problem or weakness.
Performance. how well something works under pressure. 10 words that will upgrade your English. Use one tomorrow.
That was a day in the life of a luxury car test driver. $3 million cars, 350 kilometers per hour on an empty circuit, and the thrill of finding what nobody else can find.
We have a free PDF lesson guide for you. All the words, the story, exercises, and a quiz. Click the link in the pinned comment below. Download it, print it. It's yours forever.
Subscribe, press the button, and we'll see you next time with a new story, a new world, a new adventure.
Goodbye, my friend. Drive safe, but dream fast.